Oh, yeah, जाएगा नहीं. Let's start with the most
दंगल 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 दंगल
to give out false information and how the media actually encourages all this nonsense. So just take a look at this video with me and then we can talk about it. Okay?
कैनियन रैंच गया, मैं आपको बताता हूँ मैंने क्या क्या किया. तो डाइट पे मैंने 1500 कैलोरी खाया पर डे कैनियन रैंच में. 1500 कैलोरी, जबकि मेरा रिक्वायरमेंट है 2000. वहाँ जाके मैं क्या करता था, दिन भर में मैं करीबन 7 से 8 घंटा वर्कआउट करता था. जैसे आदमी काम पे जाता ना,
वैसे आपकी मतलब ड्यूटी थी.
हाँ. तो शुरुआत में करता था ट्रैक से. माउंटेन पे आप ट्रैकिंग जाते हैं, पैदल चढ़ते हैं आप, तो वो 3-3.5 घंटा मैं वो करता था
रोजाना?
हाँ, सुबह
3-3.5 घंटा माउंटेन ट्रैकिंग?
हाँ, मैं सुबह को निकलता था और मैं पहुंचता था 11:30 बजे वापस. उस गाड़ी का भी समय ले लीजिए आप, क्योंकि गाड़ी से हम जाते थे माउंटेन के पास, वहां पे करते थे. तो पूरा जो सफर था वो 7 से 12, कितना हुआ, 5 घंटे. 5 घंटे में से एक्चुअल जो ट्रैकिंग होती थी वो 3-3.5 घंटा होती थी. मैं 12 बजे वापस आके मैं खाना खाता था. अच्छा, ब्रेकफास्ट हमारा ट्रैक पे ही होता है. हम 7 बजे निकलते हैं, ट्रैक पे आधे पॉइंट पे जाके हम ब्रेकफास्ट ब्रेक लेते हैं. हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट हम साथ में लेके चलते हैं बैकपैक में. 12 बजे मैं खाना खाता था, फिर मैं 2 बजे तक मैं रेस्ट करता था. 12 से 2 खाना खाने के बाद मैं 2 बजे तक रेस्ट करता था. 2 बजे मैं जाता था वेट ट्रेनिंग करने के लिए जिम में. 2 से 3, 3 से 4 में स्विमिंग पूल में जाता था. वहां पे कार्डियो एक्सरसाइजेस होते हैं स्विमिंग पूल में, वो कराते हैं
स्विमिंग पूल के अंदर?
स्विमिंग पूल के अंदर आपको दौड़ाते हैं, अलग अलग चीजें कराते हैं. तो 3 से 4 वो होता था. 4 बजे के बाद या तो मैं साइकिलिंग जाता था 2 घंटा, तो 4 से 6 वो हो जाता था, या मैं टेनिस खेलता था 2 घंटा.
वो भी एक्सरसाइज?
हाँ, वो भी एक्सरसाइज है. फिर उसके बाद जब ये पूरा हो जाता था, फिर दिन को एंड करने के लिए मैं 2 घंटे की वॉक लेता था.
Oh my God.
उसके इर्द गिर्द. तो करीबन 7 से 8 घंटा डेली मैं कुछ ना कुछ अलग तरीके की एक्सरसाइज करते रहता था, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कैलोरी बर्निंग.
He's saying he was training for almost 7 to 8 hours each day on a 1500 calorie diet. In what world is that normal? Regular people, normal people who have day jobs cannot afford to spend 8 hours on a training program. To be honest, even if they did have 8 hours to spend on a training program, is it a good idea to spend 8 hours training? It's one thing to be active, one thing to be on your toes all day long, which is a different story altogether. 2 issues with this video. One, a 1500 calorie diet is extremely low, super dangerous for someone who's training 7 to 8 hours a day. Okay. Second of all, for the common man, this is an unattainable, unreachable goal. With these kind of body transformations, when people show their videos, is the fact that before a common man can have expectation, his or her expectations are killed right even before they can dream of doing something bigger and better. Because these people come and talk on camera and no one's there to call them out. Is it attainable? Is it sustainable? These 2 questions. And this is why I absolutely despise the way this interview was conducted. And I absolutely despise the way they have brought this information out for the public. This video basically summarizes as follows. I am a Bollywood star. I have all the money in the world. I have all the time in the world. I have all the dedicated nutritionists with me. I have everything it takes for me to get from point A to point B. You are a common man. You can't do that. I am Mr. Perfectionist and I will do whatever it takes, but you can't achieve it. That's the message he's sending out. And so I wanted to break this video down because it absolutely frustrates me. It absolutely makes me mad when I see such interviews being conducted. Now again, I am a big Aamir Khan fan and I'm not taking away any of his efforts from him. I'm just a common man on the internet. I don't think I have the capacity or the power or the liberty to take that away from him. But the fact that he did this makes me question about his credibility on everything that he says from here on, or everything that he said in the past. When someone's lying, it's important to call them out. And it doesn't matter who you are, it doesn't matter where you are. I'm glad we have social media at our disposal, which acts as an equalizer. Where in a couple of years ago, I think only the big movie stars would have access to people, and they would say whatever they want to say and get away with it. Now it's difficult for them to get away with whatever they say, because people like you and I, we can actually turn to social media and have an educated opinion about certain situations. As you can see this video, this was absolutely. Hope anyone out there who has goals with respect to their body composition or with respect to their fitness does not get discouraged listening to this kind, because 8 hours of training, like I said, is unrealistic. And I don't even think he did that. Staying active is one thing, but training all day or staying active all day on a 1500 calorie plan is absolute. Do not believe this.